usually what happens is exhaust brake on cars, just like this one. We'll replay a situation for you. Alright, close enough. So that was there. This was here. One day he was doing some mad skids, bro, and it broke. So I cut that piece off, and I cut that piece off. We didn't take a video of it, because we're new to this video stuff, right? Now I can edit whatever I want. So I'll find a few gold pieces, put them in.
Smoke. What do we have to get?
A few 1.25" exhaust clamps.
1 3/4.
1 3/4. Good thing manager Dave's here.
Bomb, bomb.
You're going to want to measure the pipe you're going to be installing in its place. Let's go. Give or take 7 inches.
That's what she said.
About 800 millimeters. Just kidding, it's not.
We got a mark already.
Let's go to the...
Here. The anticipation is killing me.
Here we go.
Uh-oh.
It's time to get yoked.
Your clamp's slipping. Can't hit.
Seriously.
I think you were a lumberjack or something. Whoa!
I'm gonna buy a handheld so we can like zoom into shit. So like where you can be like, what is that?
Yeah, like, just dun dun dun! Right? That's sick.
We gotta straighten out this here danger. Is this my boy Kodak?
Yeah, it is.
Kodak, Kodak, Kodak.
Just grab that grinder and fucking
Oh, is this my boy 21?
I think so. When shit don't work anymore.
You think he's singing about someone with some real problems?
Yeah, probably. I hope so. Try that. I may have fixed it, may have not.
Now you gotta get it.
Oh, I think David the man with the speak stick. Mike. Work it, work it. Oh, let's see the breakthrough. Put the baby in it. Party animal.
Look at that.
Look at that, bitch.
That's how you make the perfect exhaust tip for your 2000
Honda Civic DX.
Honda Civic DX.
On to the next one, on to the next one. I think you overdid it a little bit. Oh, she screwed right in. Motherfucker! What about the hose, the hanger? Do you need a hanger?
Yeah, we can make one. Remote.
Actually, I don't think it really needs the hanger, but...
You gotta do light taps, because if you do hard taps, here in the corrosion belt, cars sometimes gone right into dust. Rust. Oh, dude, it looks like a little piggy.
It is a little pig in a blanket.
A blanket.
Blanket. It's a fucking blanket, bud. Fucking fired up.
You think I'm gonna be fucked when I'm like 35 from all this?
As long as you moisturize, you'll be fine.
Alright, I'm fucked. Want to pass me the hammer too?
Hammer? Why is it? Is it?
It needs a little persuasion.
Is it?
Hammer time?
Yeah. What does these clamps do? What is the main purpose of it?
The main purpose of this repair is to spend as little amount of money as possible to fix a broken flex joint. Now, I'm no expert, but I know that these, and a little bit of brand new pipe on some older, not so bad pipe, it's fucking fine. You're good for a while, man. Like if you're on a budget, this is how you ball.
Ball on a budget.
So right now we're saving muchos caliente dollars. That's hot money, right?
Hot money.
Because we're.
What? That's gonna be fucking so big. I don't think we can do it. Well, my hangers, I got 2 hangers. Yo, fuck it. Let's just do it. So which side are we doing first? The bottom first?
It's not doing shit yet. I'm gonna have to use an impact.
Yeah, you are. Holy.
Oh, my eyeballs. I think we've done a good deed here, David.
Looks like it.
I think I'm worried. Petrified. That's not how you weld. Yep. Give her a shot. Nice. Job well done.